Titanium, perfect texture, ebony wood, boom! Disassembling the pen. Pen barrel tip.
The tip is formed with lathe, fire, and you press it in form. I think you can see what I mean with pressing. The shots aren't very good. My apologies. I think this is something that's pretty interesting to see, but it's pretty easy to do. Here I'm forming or rather cleaning up the tip.
Barrel texture.
First the tube is filled with, then the tube is polished. This is the result after polishing. Then I'm hammering like crazy on it to give it this texture, which I really like. It feels nice and looks nice in my opinion. This is the result after hammering.
Milling the C and the slip. The clip slot.
Here just
See,
to show
like
that you can do a lot with them.
China or something.
You're melting the metal.
Fire and explosions! Ooh, scary! So hot in here!
This is a result after melting. And here I'm cleaning up.
Ebony plunger!
There's a set screw in there and the cross drill. I don't show much of it, but it's ebony for the weight and the strength. It machines really nicely. So the pin is made from solid titanium for the color mainly, because it fits the barrel. Machines okay, I think. Yeah, I'm cleaning up the other side. And also hammering it for the texture. Heating it up for the color. And then it's done. and can be put in.
Cap and clip holder. Cap and clip holder. Flexi cap. Clip. Clip.
So these parts are also made from ebony. It's pretty basic, nothing spectacular. But the wire is made from nitinol, so it's very, very flexible. Here I'm cross drilling the first hole and cutting threads in it. But then I'm going to use the one hole as reference for the next one, so the clip and the clip holder fit perfectly together. Which they do. They really go together nicely. No complaints there.
Sorry, I didn't film the clip. Whoops. My failure. Done. Ice time.
So thanks for watching. Comment if you want to see something different or rather something else. I don't know. Okay, bye.